Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix iOS 18 battery drain problem. For example, if you have recently upgraded to iOS 18 with the latest official iOS 18 update, and after updating you are seeing your battery drain problem in your iPhone. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to check whether you have installed the latest iOS 18 official update. And if you have already updated it, then you can simply check for any kind of update which are available or not. So here you can simply check for any kind of updates, and if they are available, then you can simply update them. And after updating, what you have to do, you have to simply go back and you have to again go to settings. And this time what you have to do, you have to simply look for battery option in settings. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply scroll it down and you have to click on battery. And here what you have to do, you have to simply check for the battery status for the last 10 days and all the details here. And if you see any app which drains more battery, and after the updated, then you can simply check for that app update whether you use that app or not. So if you use that app recently after update, that is the reason your battery drains more. Moreover, you can also check for battery health and charging, and you can also check for your battery health percentage. So if it is less than 90%, then you have to replace your battery, and you are about to replace battery, and it will work better after you replace it. And you have to make sure that you replace your battery from the official Apple store. So if you replace it from unknown official stores, then it will not work for you. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.